Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Potato masher. High-quality stainless steel material. Made of high-quality stainless steel heavy materials and have the ability to resist stains, corrosion, and deformation, it is very durable. Easier for you to prepare food for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Ergonomic handle design. Extended handle measures 11.5 inches, 29 centimeters long, designed for easy leverage so you feel very comfortable to use. No need to quarter or half cut the potatoes. Extra large bowl can handle large potatoes for nearly 3 cups. No need to slice the potato in half anymore. Put it all in, simply press the lever and done. Microwave food cover. Perfect match. Electroc microwave food cover and mat tench. Mat is bowl holder to grab food immediately. Cover to keep clean microwave top and 4 sides. Mat to keep clean glass turntable. And with the mat, no burning, no waiting. Multi-purpose. Microwave cover as colander and washing basket for vegetables and fruits. Multi-purpose mat as microwave mat. Silicone trivet, pot holder, utensils rest, placemat, hot pad, jar opener, coffee coaster, hand blender. Hand blender set. The 7-in-1 immersion blender set comes with 2 blades, stainless steel 4-leaf blade and ice crusher blade, and features unique bell guard that safeguards non-stick cookware from scratches and reduced suction, prevents food splatters. Emulsions blender also includes 500 milliliter chopper, 20-aughts measuring cup, whisk, milk frother, accessories holder, and 5 feet power cord. Powerful performance and durable. 800-watt, heaviest dust copper motor paired with 2 professional titanium steel 4-blade and ice crush blade rotation system can handle the toughest blending tasks effortlessly. Jar vacuum sealer. Suitable for 2 types of mason jars. The electric mason jar vacuum sealer contains 2 sizes of mouth seals for your daily use. To get the standard mouth seal jar, simply insert the red arrow on the standard mouth seal converter. Align it with the unlock symbol on the main unit, and then insert it inside the silicone ring in the wide mouth seal area and tighten it clockwise. At this point, the arrow is aligned with the lock symbol, which indicates a successful installation. For all your vacuum sealing needs, includes an electric vacuum sealer containing a wide mouth sealer, a standard mouth seal converter, 5 wide mouth mason jar lids, and 5 regular mouth mason jar lids, and user guide. Our food vacuum sealer kit will help you. Water filter. Water filter. 3 Brita Stream pitcher water filters that offer great tasting, healthier tap water when used in your Brita Stream filter water pitcher. Cuts out impurities. Filter removes over 90% of chlorine taste and odor, along with Class V size particulates, using dual layer filtration with an innovative carbon form that means no black flecks. Filter as you pour. Brita Stream filters feature patented filter as you pour technology, which means no waiting at the sink when you fill your water filtration pitcher. Sustainable. By switching to Brita, you can save money and replace up to 1,800 standard 16.9 single-use plastic water bottles each year. Convenient design. A filter indicator lets you know when it's time to replace your water filters with just 1 click. Duration. 1 filter lasts up to 2 months or 40 gallons. Fits Brita Stream pitchers. Replacement water filter works in all Brita Stream pitchers. Vegetable peelers. Peelers for kitchen set include the 3-in-1 multifunctional Y vegetable peeler and I potato peelers. Upgrade precision stainless steel blades, stronger and sharper, smooth effortless peeling. Gank 3-in-1 vegetable peelers, standard blades, suitable for peeling hard peel. Serrated blade is more suitable for peeling soft fruit peel or smooth hard peel. As tomato apple peeler. Julienne peeler, Julienne carrot for make veggie salt have never been so simple. Pastry brush. Upgraded one-piece design and stainless steel core technology. Owing to one-piece design, the silicone bristles will not break or shed in your food, unlike other bristle brushes. No bacteria will be stuck in the silicone basting brush and keep your food safe. The handle built with internal steel core results in a solid durability to our basting oil brush. It is also long enough to get a firm grip, never break and rust. Premium silicone, heat resistant. Rapid ramen cooker, one tool to rule them all. You won't need stoves or boilers anymore. Our microwavable cookware is the only thing you'll need to whip up a bowl of your favorite ramen. Less stress, right? Easy peasy cooking. Enjoy hassle-free cooking with our microwavable bowl. Just put your instant ramen in the container and let the microwave do all the work. Reheat and eat. Have some ramen in the fridge? Don't worry about wasting it because our microwave cooker is perfect for reheating leftovers. Simple cleanup. Don't have the time or energy to do the dishes? Don't worry. Our instant noodle bowl is completely dishwasher safe. Cleaning up after a quick meal has never been this easy. Waffle maker. Easy to use. With dual indicator lights and a 5-setting browning control, you can choose your waffle's specific cook temp. Ceramic non-stick surface waffle grids easily release waffles and make cleaning effortless. Must-have features. Regulating thermostat with red and green, ready-to-bake, ready-to-eat indicator lights. You've also got 1-inch deep batter pockets for thick, delicious waffles. Also stands on end for compact storage. Included, instruction manual and recipe book with several recipes to get you started. Limited 3-year warranty. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA-free. Garlic twister. Multi-held kitchen tool that can mince all kinds of ingredients, from garlic to ginger, herbs, nuts, and more. Instructions. Use the garlic twister to smash the garlic clove and loosen the skin for peeling. See video. This also softens the garlic. Place 2 to 3 cloves in the unit and progressively twist while working your way down. Expect minced bits mixed with juices to come out.